No way. No way. What? So I'm just gonna keep playing until all my free play is gone. I got all of them? Wow, okay. I have 3 points. I'll take it. Hey friend, it is Friday, April 3rd, and I'm gonna keep a video diary of my attempt to get a cruise at a discount. It is an overseas cruise on Royal Caribbean, so not likely to get a marketing offer for it. I am willing to pay full price for the cruise, which is $4 grand. Super expensive for me, right? But I'm going to attempt to get enough points in the casino using the free play that I get from other cruises. I have 11 more cruises on Royal Caribbean between now and then. So this is for late, when is it? September? No, I forget the date. October, November, I think, in 2027. Today is April 3rd, 2026. And I'm going to record, I know most of the cruises I have free play on, most of those 11 cruises I have free play on. So I'm going to try to, I might not have free play on all of them, but I'm going to keep a diary of how much of the free play that I get, how much of that free play I actually spend in the casino, and whatever I win from that free play, I'm planning to put in a separate envelope, totally different from all my other cash. And well, if it gets to be too much, I might have to deposit to the bank because I don't want to walk around with. Anyway, I'm going to try and save up as much of that money as I can. If I get to 4,000, I'm just going to pay for the cruise outright. If I don't get to 4,000, so I think my limit is going to be, I had 1,200 in my head. I might up it to 2,000. So I'll either put that amount towards the cruise, or when I get to cruise number 11, which is Star of the Seas, if I don't have enough, then I'm going to use the winnings from the free play to try and get 6,500 points, which is the amount of points that I need. I'm not 100% sure because the certificates for those for October, November 2027 are not out yet, but from the previous trends, it should be honor certificate for 6,500 points. So I'm going to try and save up all the money from the free play that I get from these 11 cruises. If I get enough, I'm going to pay for the cruise outright. If I don't get enough, I'm going to use that money to try to get 6,500 points to get the free cruise honor certificate. Alright, so this is day 1. Did I say I'm on Vision of the Seas out of Baltimore, April 3rd. It's an 8-day cruise. And as I get on the different ships, I will log what ship I'm on, how much free play I got, and what I did as far as did I lose the free play, did I win something, was I able to sock away a little bit? We shall see. Alright, let's go. I'm not really feeling any of these machines. They don't have a lot of machines that I'm used to playing, and I've seen like 6 or 7 that are not even working. It's not very many machines in here to play, and the ones that are, the few that are mostly taken, but I probably wasn't gonna play them anyway, so I don't know, I'm just not feeling this casino. But I gotta play the free play, so let me see what I can find. Alright, none of the machines I wanted are free. The few I did want to play, which are over there. So I'm just gonna play this machine. Wow, okay. All right, give me $1 million. Just bells and whistles for now. I ain't won nothing. 10 spins and $2.60.
Mini Jackpot.
Yeah, I know. I'll take it. Oh, on the last spin. I didn't even notice it was the last spin. All right. Ramesses treasure. Nice. Thank you. I still gotta finish playing my free play on here though. I done lost count. I forgot how many spins I was on. I want to say 30. All right, I kind of lost count. I want to say I'm at around 107 spins, but I had $106 divided by 75 cents, so that's 141 spins. Since I won the bonus, I haven't really won anything else yet. So I don't know if it's just gonna just keep playing and drain all my credit, but you can tell I haven't used any of my winnings yet because I still have 0 points. If I do, I did kind of lose count, so I'll know that I've used up all my free play if this turns to 1, because I'm gonna get 1 point for every $5 of my money or my winnings that I actually win, that I've actually put through the machine. And as long as I'm playing with free play, that's gonna stay at 0. So I'm just gonna keep playing until all my free play is gone, and I'll know for sure if this changes to a 1. No way. No way. What? Wow. Let's see what happens this time. Oh, snap. $49.60. Oh, snap. All right, Vision of the Seas. Showing out. Keep it up. There go the purple.
Mini Jackpot.
I like blue and green too. Those are nice colors, but purple is my favorite. Games so far. Whoa. Come on, baby, keep going. All right, blue and green, where you at? Wow. Another 200. That's crazy. purple and blue out the way. Let's get that green. That's another, it went away, 40 bucks. Last spin? Nope. Not last spin. That was the last spin. Who mad? Not me. And that's still only on the free play. I still have 0 points. Thank you. Wow. I really have lost count of how many spins I'm on. I'm just gonna keep going till that says 1. Alright, I'm finally at 1 point, which means I spent $5 of my winnings. I'm gonna do a few more spins just to make sure if it's gonna bust open again or not. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. That's it. It might hit again, but it's gonna go to somebody else. I'm leaving out with $440.60. I have 3 points. I am leaving with 3 points. I am not playing anymore in the casino during this cruise, so we shall see if this impacts my offers or not. We shall see. Sometimes it's good that your machine was not available. I'll take this one. That's it. I'm not playing anymore during this cruise here. It's all my free play. Put this away. Move on to cruise number 2. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you see what happens with my next free play.